When one thinks of mathematics, careers like architecture, programming, and engineering come into one's mind. These careers being associated with math make sense, since in a field like architecture, it will require you to make sense of shapes and patterns. However, another career that can be associated with math is medicine. Medicine, the most unlikely field to involve math, in reality requires mathematics just as much as engineering and programming. Mathematics in medicine has just as many real-world applications. To emphasize this, we have 5 real-world applications of mathematics in medicine. Lithotripsy. Lithotripsy is a non-invasive medical procedure that involves sound to shatter gallstones, kidney stones, and even bezoars, which utilizes the foci in an ellipse. By using the distance between the two foci in an ellipse and treating the dimensions of the lithotripter, the machine used for lithotripsy, as the minor and major axis, doctors can deduce the required distance between the shockwave generator and the kidney stones to ensure the patient's safety. Mathematics of cancer cure. Cancer is a disease in which some of the body's cells grow uncontrollably and spread throughout the parts of the body. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the human body. Various mathematical models are used to predict and determine tumor growth, and it gets updated with patient-specific cases over time. Mathematical models are also used to predict patient responses to radiation therapy. One of the models that is used in curing cancer is the linear quadratic model, which is used for fractionation in radiation treatment. Hemodynamics looks at blood flow and uses diverse solutions to determine blood vessel capacity. It is possible to find the amount of blood lacking, teeming, and its stress levels. Using trigonometry, we calculate the heartbeat's waveform based on diastolic and systolic amplitude values. The concept demonstrates itself in defibrillator machines, which can regulate how much electricity is applied to the body while giving specific heart rate readings. Drug dosage in medicine utilizes mathematics as well, applying the basics of math such as addition, as well as the well-loved geometric sequence. These are used to know how much of a drug should be given to someone at a certain time while taking note of other factors, such as the strength and the weight of the patient. It is important to know the accurate dosages because too much or too less of a drug can be harmful, slow down someone's recovery from an injury, or both. Ultrasound. Some may think that a parabola has little to no use outside of architecture, but this, in fact, is used in ultrasound imaging. In an ultrasound technicians use a small transducer to both transmit high-frequency sound waves into the body and record the waves that echo back, which are usually dense objects in the body such as the bones and the organs, and displays back the reflected wave in a computer. These sound waves that are being produced act and travel in a parabolic manner. Ultrasound is mostly used on pregnant women to determine the position or the gender of the baby, and knowing how ultrasound works in the perspective of mathematics that is not seen within our vision is surely fascinating. After getting familiarized with some of the applications of mathematics in the unlikely field of medicine, you now know that math has no boundaries. So as early as now, it is time to get up, for it is important to hone your math skills, because in the near future, even if you maybe won't walk down in the path of medicine, you may perhaps come face to face with these problems. And so, it is crucial that one develops a sharper mind for mathematics so that you will have no trouble getting around certain situations that call for math knowledge.